Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that I'm going to flap my arms like a chicken. Wah, wah. And making the kitten noises is Ruby, our new kitty. She is a little 2-month-old kitten, and she is sweet as pie. And today I've got my Ipsy Glam bag. Oh, something fell. Ugh, little hair tie. That would also be a great toy for her. I have not opened this so far. I don't remember what's in here. I don't think I put add-ons on. But the first thing I have here, ooh, is a really sparkly brush. That's beautiful. Look at that. It's like rose gold, rose gold and silver. It's really pretty. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this because I have a bunch of brushes. And this is a nice brush, so that might go in a giveaway. Let's see. Anything else in here? These bags are great for shipping other things. Oh, I've got a peeling radiance pad from Sakura. Peeling radiance pads from Hongjisu. And that is Japanese. Sakura is Japanese, and it says 10 pads, and so that'll be great to resurface my face. So that's 2 things so far, and then this feels cheap. It feels like cheap vinyl, and you can see pretty much right through it. But it's got a little airplane for the zipper, so that makes it cute. Let's see what's inside my bag. And this is a $12 bag. And I just subscribed to it for a year, so I'm getting it for like $11. Or I'm getting one free. And it says, take a break. Airplane mode on your phone, put it up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize, whether it's a living room, dance party, or a bold lipstick. Take a break from the ordinary. Let loose. Go with the flow. Where will it take you? That's what I want to know. And this just has tips on how to relax. It doesn't tell you what's in here. I don't need relaxation tips. Maybe I do. This is my choice item. It is a little tattoo liner from KVD. And it is just a little black felt tip liner. And I will put that with my eyeliners that I'm using right now. And then I've got this little lip, and it's sealed. I can't even read what it says. It's like sealed shut. I'm not going to open it because I'm probably not going to use it, but I will put it in a giveaway. So a lippy. So that's 4 things, and then I've got this is my 5th thing. So 6 things, including the bag. Maybe I ordered that brush. I don't remember. It's been a while since I did all that. But I don't think I did. All right. And this is Space Case. It's an eyeshadow. She is having a good time. And it is a taupey color, which I'm gonna put that in the giveaway because I know I'm not gonna dig into it. So today we've got an eyeshadow, a lippy, this not very nice bag. Usually the bags are pretty nice. A face resurfacer, a brush, and an eyeliner. So for 12 bucks, not so bad. I know those eyeliners are about 10 bucks for the sample size or the smaller trial size. And so this is a pretty good bag. I'm not complaining at all. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.